Here we presents the 5 best cheap dishwasher. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Equipped with durable stainless steel interior and spray arm, 6 wash cycles, dish rack and silverware basket, the dishwasher provides you a different friendly control. Low paid, quick connection, simple operation will satisfy you. It is perfect for college students and renters, and suitable to be set in small-sized room. Spacious cavity loads up to 6 standard place settings. At number 4. Featuring 6 standard place setting capacity, 6 wash cycles, quick connection, stainless steel interior, you can control it conveniently. Standing over 17 inches tall, the dishwasher uses only 200 kilowatt-hours per year. Extremely easy to operate, this unit wastes very little water, which can save you a lot of money. In addition, the dishwasher offers a high-temperature heating dry which ensures your no bacteria dishes. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. It is an Energy Star counter electronic dishwasher which is suitable for any limited space. The unit has a quick connection to any kitchen tap with low water consumption. The convenient operation and auto display and durable stainless steel interior help you clear your dishes up. Paying with little money, taking it back home, you will enjoy an arbitrary wash experience. At number 2. With 6 standard place setting S, the dishwasher works arbitrarily and efficiently. The dishwasher uses only 200 kilowatt-hours per year, about 61% less energy than similar countertop dishwashers. The stainless steel design makes the machine look good no matter where it is. The powerful spray arm ensures a deep wash with your dishes. No matter how hard the food on your dishes is, the dishwasher always eliminates it entirely. And coming in at number 1 of our list. SPT countertop dishwasher is perfect for apartment, office kitchens or any small-sized kitchens. With 6 wash cycles, so you can choose the 1 or 2 program for a better dishwashing. This unit will fit between most countertop and cabinetry, including easy controls, durable stainless steel interior and the direct connection. It offers a convenient service. It is very important that it's cheap. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share this video.